Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the scanner on Webull. First, open your Webull application and locate the Markets tab. From there, you will see an option labeled Screener. Click on this to access the powerful scanning tools. You can then select the specific market you wish to analyze, like US stocks, to narrow down your focus. This initial step is crucial for effective market analysis and finding potential trading opportunities. Now, let's dive into customizing your scanner filters. Webull offers a wide array of technical and fundamental indicators you can add. For instance, you can set a minimum daily volume of 500,000 shares or a price range between $10 and $50. You can also filter by market capitalization, perhaps looking for companies with over $1 billion. Experiment with these options to create a scan that perfectly matches your trading strategy. Once you've created a powerful scan, it's essential to save it. This allows you to quickly rerun your custom filters without starting from scratch. Simply click the Save button and give your scan a descriptive name. Running your saved scans regularly helps you stay on top of market movements and identify potential trades efficiently. Always review the results carefully to ensure they align with your trading plan. For advanced users, try combining several filters to create highly specific scans, like looking for stocks with a relative strength index above 70 and a daily volume exceeding 1 million shares. Also, experiment with different timeframes for your indicators to match your trading style, whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. This helps keep your trading environment fresh and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.